Chef Ljubomir Erovic is having a ball in the kitchen. His speciality de la maison is testicles. Name an animal and there's a good chance Erovic can turn its nuts into nibbles that some believe will even beef up your sex life.
Through healthy food to better sex. Anybody who doesn't believe me should come here and try the food. Then tell me later how the experience was.
Erovic has just published a book of his recipes for culinary gems such as testicle pizza, testicle goulash, and the pièce de résistance, bull's testicles with bechamel sauce. He's also the founder of the World Testicle Cooking Festival, where chefs from around the globe turn the dangly bits of cattle, sheep, pigs, horses and kangaroos into eye-watering delicacies. In some parts of the world, the organs are known as white kidneys or Afghan Viagra. In Erovic's estimation, you can't go wrong with a hefty dose of extra testosterone before bed. Paul Chapman, Reuters.